Kasama rin natin bilang si Bea Natividad, Loisa Andalio. Padaanin lang natin si Loisa. Sama na kayo Loisa, kayong dalawa niya, no? Joshua, for a photo, please. Yan. Okay, paupuin muna natin. Thank you. Bilang si Ryan Briones naman, Jerome Ponce. Of course, bilang si Corinne Natividad, Jane Oineza. Okay, padaanin lang natin si Jane, please. Thank you. Tapos, let's have a photo with the two. Oops! Thank you. Can we have a photo of the four? Sa taas yan, o. Yung silang apat. Joshua, Loisa, and Jane sa taas, please. Silang apat. Yan. Sige lang, Nina. We'll wait for you. Okay, maupuin na po natin sila. Thank you very much. Bilang si Leandro Natividad naman, Christian Vasquez. Playing the role of Tony Briones, Denise Laurel. And bilang si Cecilia Natividad, Vina Morales. Padaanin lang po natin. Thank you very much. Denise, tayo nga muna please ha. Let's have a photo with Christian, Vina, and Denise. Excuse me po. Excuse me po. Ayan. Photo please muna with Christian, Vina, and Denise. So, pa-down lang ng music na konti. Thank you. Okay, let's have a group photo together with the teen stars naman. Please join para isang group shot before we start the Q&A.
Atras tayo. Atras. Atras. Okay. Asya na. Here po.
Okay, salamat po. Thank you very much. Let's
settle down.
Settle down.
Update. Live to ah.